Are you a student in Ghana looking for a better way to learn and succeed? Welcome to LearnersPlatform.com, your ultimate online learning hub designed specifically for Ghanaian students. Whether you're struggling with a subject or aiming to get ahead, LearnersPlatform.com is here to support your academic journey. We provide comprehensive resources that cater to your unique learning needs, making education accessible and engaging. Wondering if LearnersPlatform.com is right for you? Yes, because it has all that you need as a student ready to learn and explore. From basic school pupils to aspiring nursing students, our platform covers a wide range of educational levels. Let's explore the incredible resources available at your fingertips. Gain access to a vast library of learning and teaching materials designed to enhance your understanding and boost your grades. Prepare effectively for exams with our extensive collection of past questions and detailed answers for all subjects. Dive into a wide selection of digital books, offering convenient and flexible reading options for all your courses. Why should LearnersPlatform.com be your go-to learning platform? We believe quality education should be accessible to everyone, which is why we offer affordable and reliable prices that fit every budget. Count on us for consistent and dependable access to all your educational materials whenever you need them. Our platform allows you to learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere, fitting seamlessly into your busy schedule. Ready to transform your learning experience? Visit LearnersPlatform.com today and unlock your full academic potential.